Hi and welcome. Come on, grab a chair, sit down. We are going to make day 13 in my little delusions journal here. This is for Art Joy Sharing, as we've been doing all month. And if you don't know about that, go check out the playlist. But I have not been I have not been dedicating enough time, and my head has been on the fritz, so just going to try to do a quick page today. I got out some stamps. Where are they? Boy, here we go. These are some cheap Delusions Claire stamps I think I got in the clearance aisle. I don't even know if they make these anymore. Is there a date on this? I don't think so. But I inked up my archival, and I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use this stamp on the page. Get a stamp block here. Oh, got to turn it over. So if you are following along and using our hashtag, I am trying to follow all of that on Instagram and Facebook and everywhere. So, you can also tag me on things and I'll try to find you that way. So let's see if I got this inked up enough now to stamp directly into the journal. Don't be afraid. It's only an art journal. If it doesn't work out the best, if it doesn't work out the way you want it to, that's okay, because you can always put something else up over the top. So let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, that's working, right? So I'm just going to use this stamp multiple times, trying to center it here. Not sure where my sentiment and stuff is going to go on this page, but thought I might use this for a portion of that. So let's see how that goes, shall we? I've got my clip in the way. Try and keep things out of the way. Pick it up, stamp it down. I think I'll use some colored markers to do this. Do I want another one? Yeah, might as well do the whole page, right? Do the whole page, Peg. Do the whole page. I'll get that one, turn this around. I'm getting ink everywhere now. Where's my rag? And we'll get this on here. Okay. So I've got that much. And we'll keep moving on. Okay then, I have turned off the sound on my phone so we won't be ding ding dinging. Trying to figure out what I want to do for this background. I'm going to start with, I've got these water brushes filled with Delusions ink. I think this is a lighter green. I'm going to start with the lighter green. There's enough in there to do it. And I'm just going to, oops, see, that's way too wet. Just gonna, wow, that's way too wet. Just gonna paint in this border. With that green color. Just using my rag to mop up the excess. And I'm not really being very careful. Like I said, I'm not feeling the best today. Just getting something down on a page. Making a quick journal page. I could be more careful or not. It's to give the effect. Not so much about perfection. Perfection is highly overrated. Just saying. And then I've got some die cuts. These are Art by Marlene die cuts. And I've got what I want to say for today picked out. So let me just finish this. Good enough, right? Good enough. And these are, this was like this. I didn't really want it like that, so I took the girl, cut the thing off the top. I'm going to add this kind of like a crown for her. I don't know, I might add the bird back. Depends on what I'm thinking here. So I'm gonna put some words in here. So I want my pen. This is just a Sharpie. And I'm gonna say, starting tomorrow, whatever life. This pen is not very good. Throws. At me. ducking. I am ducking. So it hits someone else. Okay, so I got my journaling on the page. Now I'm going to glue this down with some Yoo-Hoo. I'm going to start with this heart. Let me see, where is that? I could add that. Yeah, let's come down a little bit and add the birdie in. Why not? It's colorful. I've been feeding the birds out here. You know, since our trees are all on the ground with derecho, they haven't had a lot of choices that they usually have. So I put up my feeders. I've been trying to provide for my feathered friends. It still needs a little, probably dried out a little bit while I was fiddling around. So we've had quite a variety of birds here. Birds I've never seen before, but I think they've been driven out of their habitat by the storm and what's happened here. Let's see, do I want that higher? Maybe about like so. And I'm going to take a little gesso on my finger and just gesso out the bottom here. And we'll need to dry all of this, and I'll be back. So I've just gone back in and darkened up my words a little bit. I'm going to add some color to this heart. And I want to get my Posca pen and go around my image. Emphasize my character here. Of course, now my pen has decided it doesn't like it. Come on. Come on. There we go. I don't know, there might still be some wet stuff on here. That's why I keep saying you should probably wait a day in between putting the wet stuff down. But I didn't, because I'm anxious to get this page done. So I'm going to go around my birdie. These leaves. Just emphasizing some of this a little bit. Bring it up off of the page with my Posca. Oops. Not doing very good with my lining. Give her a little dramatic eye. And a little drama to the lip too here. Should have a white Posca here also. Just want to brighten that up a little with the white. And I think this will be number 13. So this is hashtag AJSNARK attack. (2020). And today's page is number 13. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you join us on Art Joyous Sharing. Remember to answer the questions on the Facebook page. And if you are posting anything on Instagram, use our hashtag so that we can find what you're doing, because we want to see what everybody has created using these snarky quotes. So that's it for me, day 13, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.